Sometimes, wait, that wasn't my line. Was it? No. Okay. Hey guys, me Alexa, and today what we're going to do is make slime. And slime is one of the best things. I'm missing two things. I'll come right back. Hey. And I'm missing the bowl. Come right back. Stay right there. There. That was quick. I'm back and I got these two things. And I got a bowl. Now. Can't find the bowl, so we'll just use a cup for it. Ta-da! Okay, so hey guys, it's me Alexa. I just woke up 10 minutes ago, and 10 minutes ago, and I'm up. I'm eating some eggs. I'm gonna make slime today. Okay. I'm gonna make slime today while I'm eating. Yeah. And guys, we have some brownies in the refrigerator. And yeah. So we're gonna start doing this, okay? Okay. Something tastes weird about this. This is my mixer the last day. Okay, let's get on to this video. Okay, so first one I need is a cup, a regular cup. There's nothing in it. I'm gonna need this glitter glue, Elmer's glue. You guys, I'm using Elmer's. And these are one of the rare glues, and not the clear ones, the rare ones. I'm gonna use confecting solution there, and some baking soda, and a little Mandarin Origin. Okay. First, we are going to put in my Elmer's pink glue. I'm using Elmer's. You guys can use school glue. You guys can either use school glue or Elmer's glue. And I'm saying that Elmer's works better. And that's my choice. You guys can pick Elmer's or school glue. And so I'm going to go ahead and put it in. Get in. There. The fact that I can't put it in, it's okay. Because, I can just do it this way. And you're gonna use about a little bit. Yeah, I think that's enough. But I'm gonna make sure to put in a little bit more. Because I think that wasn't enough. Okay, that's a whole bunch I put in. Yeah, it's a whole bunch I put in. Oopsies. Okay. So, next I'm going to put in my little Mr. Baking Soda and my little Mandarin Origin cup. So let's go do it. Sorry, I'm talking what I'm eating. I literally can't put this in all the time. All the time I just use my mixing stick. Oh my goodness, I put a whole bunch, you guys. So I accidentally put a whole bunch in. That's okay because for the next day I can use it a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my baking soda into my cup. Oopsies. I put in a whole bunch in, if you guys see. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix my baking soda in. I'm putting a lot of baking soda, so it's going to be a very bright color that you guys would like. Or would not, I don't really care. You guys can have it. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Tell me in the comments, you guys, if you're a boy or a girl, and tell me in the comments if you guys like my slime at the end of the video. Make sure to watch this whole video because this video is not so long. And yeah. Oh gosh, I put a whole bunch. I shouldn't have did that. Now my color slime is brighter. And I didn't like that. Okay, now, oh you guys, it made my slime color a little brighter. I didn't like that color. I do, it's not very good color. Okay, now I'm going to add in my contact solution, and then I'm done with my video. I'm going to make sure to put in a lot of contact solution and to make the slime better than anyone's. You see how this is dissolving together, you guys? See that? See that? It's dissolving awesomely. Awesome. Like, cotton candy. Ooh, I love this slime. I love it. It's awesome. It smells bad though. Like, maybe like chemicals or something. Trying to scoop it all this in and throwing it out. And some of it is excess. So you know excess, like some of it is just baking soda. But not for me right now. Nah. No excess. Just slime in here I'm putting out. Everything else is just slime. That's in here. More slime. It's excess. And you know what excess is? It's like the contact solution and the oh no, it's not excess. Excess means it's not the stuff that I don't need. That's some of the stuff I do need. Look at that, guys. You guys, it's a different color in the camera. So you know it's purple in the camera, but it's actually like a very, very rose pink. And a very light pink. So, yeah. Smash that like button, like this video. I know it was a short one, but yeah, so it's a great slime video. Okay, bye. You know how I always do it with my hand in like that. And then, with slime hands. Bye, guys. Bye, 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 bing, bing, boom, bye, 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 boom.